Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Smita. Ever since I've started making YouTube videos on machine learning, I get a lot of questions from you guys on LinkedIn. And a lot of you guys are curious as to how I got started with machine learning and what got me interested in machine learning, and also why have I created a YouTube channel on machine learning. Now, before I answer all of these questions, let me actually give you guys a bit of background about me. So I graduated from the University of Pécs in Hungary with a degree in computer science engineering. And also I worked at SAP as a software developer. If you guys don't know what SAP is, it's a German-based company which builds enterprise-level software. And before all of that, I actually lived in Singapore, where during my secondary school years and junior college years, I participated in a lot of different mathematical Olympiads. So I was really interested in math, and I actually wanted to pursue a degree in math, but I ended up going with computer science engineering, which I'm really glad I did. By the way guys, pause the video right now and comment in the description box below where you guys are from, what got you interested in machine learning, and how has your learning been so far. Because I'm really curious to find out where you guys are watching my videos from, and also, what you are interested in machine learning for and what you plan to do with machine learning. So as you guys can kind of tell, I have a CSE background and mostly I have software development experience. So why machine learning? How have I gotten into machine learning? So before I started my university degree, I actually knew a little bit about what AI was. I was kind of aware of what AI was. Obviously at that time I didn't know what machine learning and deep learning was, but I was really curious about what AI was, and I was really interested in finding out more. So while I was at university, I got a lot of opportunities to attend different conferences and hackathons. So a lot of the conferences that I did attend, they were very much related to data science or machine learning. So while I was there, what's really cool about these conferences is that you get to hear what people are doing with data science and machine learning. So at a lot of these conferences, people are usually presenting maybe their papers on machine learning and data science, or they're presenting something that they've built using machine learning. So it's really amazing to sit there and listen to all these cool things that people have built using machine learning. And it really got me wondering, hey, why not me? Because I really want to build something cool with machine learning, so why not? If you're someone with a software engineering background, you already know there's so many amazing things that you can build with software. There's so many amazing solutions that you can build for massive amounts of people with software. But imagine machine learning thrown into the mix. Imagine machine learning paired with software or hardware. The level of amazing solutions which can be possible because of this. So that's what really motivated me into actually learning machine learning. Just thinking about all the cool things that I could actually build with machine learning, and also my existing knowledge of software. So at that point, I started taking a bit of courses on machine learning online, maybe reading some books, but I hadn't gotten to actually building anything which was novel yet, anything that was truly 100% made by me yet. Up until the point where it was time to actually do our final year thesis project, and a lot of my friends and peers, they were building applications, or some of them were building computer network solutions. And I decided, why not use machine learning and build something? So my thesis project was about comparing different machine learning algorithms at their effectiveness at predicting cryptocurrency prices. I know that sounds really complicated, but hopefully I'll make a video in the future exactly explaining what my thesis was about. So if I do, definitely check that out, guys. So what my thesis actually did is it really forced me to figure a lot of things out by myself, actually learn machine learning, because I had a problem to solve. And there was a point in time where my learning really catapulted, and obviously with the help of some really great professors as well. So fast forward a year later, I've completed my thesis project, and I'm looking back and I'm realizing how tremendously difficult it was for me to find genuine really good machine learning content, and that's coming from someone who has a technical background. So I just thought about all the people who don't have technical backgrounds, or who are just getting started, the tremendous amount of difficulty it is for them to find really good machine learning content, and also trying to navigate on how they can learn machine learning, because that's not exactly a fixed learning path. Like if you're planning on learning coding, there's already a ton of amazing coding resources and coding classes out there, and even entire university degrees like computer science engineering. But when it comes to machine learning, we don't have that level of resources out there. So that is what really got me started with this YouTube channel. I truly believe that machine learning and artificial intelligence knowledge should not be something that only a select group of people have. It should be something that a lot of people have access to. So that's my goal with this YouTube channel. I really want to provide educational content for people who are starting out with machine learning, perhaps people who have no technical backgrounds and they're kind of stuck and they don't even know how to get started. The level at which AI and machine learning is developing, we are all going to be affected by it in the future, in the very near future. So it's definitely important that we know how to use it. Now, it's not necessary that everyone needs to become a machine learning engineer. Not everyone needs to know how to code or build machine learning applications. But to be able to access and use machine learning products is something that everyone should be able to do. Also, ever since I've started posting content, I used to think that one of the most common questions that I would get is, how do I learn machine learning? But that's not the case. In fact, the most common question I get is, do you think I should learn machine learning? Or do you think I can learn machine learning? Because a lot of people think that they're not capable of learning machine learning. So they usually message me with, their backgrounds and their careers, and they always ask me questions like, do you think I should learn machine learning? And the answer to that is absolutely yes. So obviously I'm not saying machine learning is the easiest thing to learn, but nothing that is worth learning is easy. Nothing that is worth learning or doing or worth knowing is going to be easy. But by learning machine learning, I truly believe that you guys are investing in your future. Also, if you are getting started with machine learning and you're not sure how to go about it, I actually made a how to get started with machine learning entire roadmap for 2021. I'm going to link it right over here. So in that video, I've actually linked a PDF document which is free, where I've broken down the different stages of machine learning that you guys can learn, and also the different courses and resources. I've linked all of those in that PDF, so be sure to download it so you guys know exactly what to do. So guys, I hope I answered a bunch of different questions on why I got started with machine learning, why I'm interested in machine learning, and what's the whole purpose of my YouTube channel. If you guys have any more questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and also do comment where you guys are from, how you guys have started learning machine learning. So let me know. And thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.